Hey everyone, welcome back to MVP Autos, your go-to channel for the latest updates in the automotive and machinery world. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Today, we have some exciting news for all farming and heavy machinery enthusiasts. New Holland has officially unveiled the next generation 2025 T8.100 series, and it's packed with cutting-edge technology, improved performance, and enhanced comfort. Let's dive into everything you need to know about this brand new powerhouse. The New Holland T8.100 series is built to redefine efficiency and power in modern agriculture. With a completely redesigned structure, this tractor is lighter yet stronger, providing better durability and fuel efficiency. Under the hood, it's powered by a high-performance engine that delivers impressive horsepower while maintaining lower emissions, making it compliant with the latest environmental standards. One of the standout features of the 2025 T8.100 is its advanced Smart Tracks system. This technology provides improved traction and stability, ensuring the tractor can handle tough terrains with ease. Whether you're working on muddy fields or dry land, this system enhances overall performance, reducing slippage and improving fuel economy. Comfort is another area where New Holland has made significant upgrades. The new cab design is more spacious, featuring ergonomic controls, a premium air suspension seat, and an upgraded climate control system. The user-friendly interface includes a state-of-the-art touchscreen display that integrates GPS guidance, machine diagnostics, and real-time performance tracking. Speaking of technology, the T8.100 series comes equipped with the latest precision farming capabilities. The advanced telematics system allows remote monitoring and diagnostics, giving farmers real-time insights into their tractor's performance. With improved connectivity, operators can sync their machines with farm management software, optimizing productivity and reducing downtime. Another major highlight is the new transmission system, which ensures smoother shifting and greater fuel efficiency. The continuously variable transmission (CVT) option provides seamless power delivery, allowing operators to adjust speed with precision while maintaining peak efficiency. This is a game changer for those who need maximum control in demanding conditions. New Holland has also taken sustainability seriously with the T8.100 series. The tractor now features an innovative exhaust after-treatment system that significantly reduces nitrogen oxide emissions. Additionally, it supports alternative fuel options, making it a more eco-friendly choice for modern farming. With improved hydraulics, increased lifting capacity, and a more robust chassis, the 2025 T8.100 series is designed to handle a variety of farming tasks effortlessly. From plowing and tilling to hauling heavy loads, this tractor is built to tackle any challenge with ease. New Holland has clearly set a new benchmark with the T8.100 series, blending power, technology, and comfort into one highly efficient machine. It's a perfect example of how modern engineering is transforming the agricultural industry. That's it for today's video. What do you think about the new 2025 New Holland T8.100 series? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MVP Autos for more updates on the latest tractors, cars, and machinery. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.